Hello everyone, so welcome back to this video. So in previous videos we have seen about the padding, margin, width, with content like kind of stuffs, right? And background color and this all kind of stuffs we have seen in the previous videos, right? Now we'll be focusing on the text formatted styles, right? I'll be removing all the kind of thing here and also from here. So now I'll be creating a paragraph tag. So we'll be seeing the text styling parts now. So paragraph tag, inside the paragraph tag I'll be creating a my name is Alex and my country is USA. Okay, let me see how my content is look like. Okay, my content is looking pretty good, right? So I need to align this content. How can I align this content is actually like um let me change the color of my text. How to change the color of the text is actually you can use inline or internal or external. I'm using external, so I need to give an CSS I mean class selector property. So it will be giving us an about for the I mean about section. So it's kind of an about section. So I'm giving the about for the class name. So to initialize here, I will be giving the dot and about and briefing it in the curly braces. Okay. So inside it, now I'll be changing the color it to green. Okay. Okay, if I change and refresh, now you can see my content has been changed to green, right? So now what I can do is I can change the spacing between the letters. So before changing the spacing between the letters, what I can do is I can capitalize all the all kind of characters, all characters in a capitalized format or uppercase format or lowercase format. Let me first do uppercase format. For that we'll be using a text transform. Okay, text transform property to describe how does the text need to look like. Okay, first of all, uppercase, save and refresh. You might note all my content has been changed to uppercase, right? So after that we'll be seeing lowercase. Okay, so all the content has been changed to lowercase. Okay, so now capitalized. So what the capitalized does is it capitalized all the starting of the substrings. I mean, it capitalized all the starting of an string. Okay, starting of a word. Okay, so now I'll be keeping what I can say, uh, everything in uppercase. Okay, let me refresh and view it in the original size. It means 100 size. This might be in a smaller format, right? So how can I change the text? I mean change the text size. So using a font property. Okay, font size. So font size, you can give it the pixels, 30 pixels, and save. You might note now the font has been increased, right? So now I will be changing it to 50. So 50, if I give 50, it has been changed to much bigger size. It's a real size now. Okay, how I can change the with boldness of an character, boldness of an text, using a font weight property. Font weight is equal to bold, I mean colon bold. If I give bold, you might see my all characters have been changed to bold. How I can change the font style? So this is in the Times New Roman, right? How can I change it to a font style? Is actually using a font style property, font family property. Sorry, font family equal to, I'm giving it as a monospace. Okay, so now you might note all my content has been changed in the different style, right? So now how I can do the spacing between these characters? So using a letter spacing. Okay, letter spacing, giving it as 2 pixels. If I click refresh, you might note there is a difference between that. Okay, let me give us a high pixel property like 8. So if I click refresh, you might note there is a space between all the characters right now, right? So this is actually we have used a color property and spacing property, and we have using decorations. So we'll be seeing the decorations also now. And we have transformed the data, right? Text transformed using for uppercase and lowercase right now. And we'll be seeing the decorations now, how the decoration actually works. Okay, so for that, text decoration, okay, text decoration equal to like what decoration you need, you can give it as it is. Like I need to underline my text. If I refresh, you can see the underline has been come now because I use the text decoration is underlined. Or you can use a strike for that. I mean it will be striking the line as like this line through. So line through helps us to use like a strike property, so it will be striking the line. As like a same, we'll be using a double or kind of sort of like that. Dotted, if we use a dotted, you might see there is a no content appeared now, but in some specific content will be appeared. So we'll be seeing a more kind of thing in the later videos, in the future videos. So stay tuned for those videos. So stay tuned. Thank you.